For folks who maybe want to get out today, support local businesses, or just get out, enjoy sunshine, that will be possible today, right?
It will be possible,
perfect.
but you might not think that when you look out the window this morning or just
dreary to start.
Yeah, you be quiet for a few seconds and you'll likely hear a rumble of thunder. So we are starting off this morning with some thunderstorms, but those are going to move on out of here once we head past sunrise, and then we'll see increasing sunshine, increasing wind speeds, and the concern for fire weather as we head into the afternoon and evening. Well, let's take a look first. So at that first alert radar this morning, this is a kind of zoomed out view right now. We are not dealing currently with any severe thunderstorms as we are now at 5:21 this morning. Just really some occasional heavy downpours, like right around the Clinton area, south of Warrensburg, heavy downpour right there, likely maybe some tiny pea-sized hail and the occasional strong wind gusts, but that's about it. And this general line kind of extends from the Ottawa area all the way on the Missouri side to Sedalia, with a small kind of stretch around St. Joseph of some thunderstorms there. So nothing on the severe side as we continue to look ahead. I know this model kind of makes everything look very big and crazy, but ignore that and just look at the general location of the rain. It does start to slowly kind of fall apart and push eastward as we head past sunrise, 7 a.m. and by around 9 o'clock, maybe a few lingering showers, but a good portion of that rain pushes off to the east of us and drags the clouds with it, and by 12 o'clock we'll start to see an increase in sunshine. So some good news with that today. If you want to see some sunshine, we'll see 60s again for highs. The only downside today is we also have a front that's pushing through this morning, and that is going to increase our wind speeds. Here's what that looks like. We're not too breezy right now this morning, except for if you have a thunderstorm overhead, but as we approach lunchtime, we'll start to see wind gusts approaching that 30-mile-per-hour mark or higher. Even in northeast Kansas, northwest Missouri, some gusts approaching 40 miles per hour. So this continues throughout the day today. We just cannot get enough of that wind apparently in Kansas City. That's just been the theme of March so far. And eventually by the evening hours, we will start to see the wind slowly quieting down just in time for overnight tonight. So windy today. We are concerned about fire weather. Red flag warning in effect for some of us. Keep that in the back of your mind. Hard to think of, though, again, when you're seeing the occasional flash of lightning and some thunder this morning with those thunderstorms moving through. But yes, we are drying out as we head throughout the day today. Here's a look at that Sunday forecast, breaking it down just a little bit further for you. Temperature is not going to change too much. I mean, we're already in those low 50s this morning. We're just going to climb to the upper 50s by lunchtime and eventually hit right around those low 60s for today. There's that sunshine, and remember that wind gust occasionally around 35 miles per hour. By Tuesday, I warmed us up a little bit, 70 degrees, and overnight low also starting in the 40s. We stay very nice and mild for the next several mornings throughout the week. 70s return on Thursday. That's the Royals home opener. And speaking of which, temperature-wise, it's going to be fantastic. But we are starting to see more shower chances kind of increasing throughout the day Thursday, maybe even lingering into Friday. So, of course, that could impact the Royals home opener game. I believe that's around 3:10. Might want to keep the umbrellas handy if you do plan on attending that. And we'll keep you more, or give you more information as we get closer to that. Friday, that rain chance continues, and maybe even a small rain chance into the start of this upcoming weekend. But temperatures stay in the 70s, overnight lows in the 50s, at least through Sunday morning. So fantastic stretch of weather on the way. We do quiet down as we start off the week, but just get through today, those morning thunderstorms, and eventually that red flag warning later this afternoon.